Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. We're continuing with grade 8 algebra. So let's start with today's lesson. Simplify and leave all exponents positive. So let's just pick a pen. So here you'll have 2x to the power 5 multiplied by minus 3x to the power 3. So you first have to multiply the numbers. 2 times minus 3, it will give you minus 6. X to the power 5 times x to the power 3, it will give you x, and then 5 and 3 is 8. So that will be the answer. And then question number 2, we'll have 2a cubed b cubed bracket, then the second bracket is a squared b cubed all squared. So since this one is all squared, we'll start by simplifying it, meaning we'll write the first bracket as it is, and then we'll simplify the second bracket. So we're just going to write a, then 2 times 2 is going to be a 4, a to the power 4. Then you write the b, 3 times 2, that will give you a 6. Now this can first simplify as 2, right? So an a cubed times a to the power 4 would be a, so 3 plus 4, that means the power would be 7 for a, and then b cubed and b to the power 6, you write b, 3 plus 6 is 9. So that will be the answer. And then question 2, so the question 3, here you'll have 9 divided by 3, so you can just divide, that will be 3 over 1, and then p squared is dividing at the denominator p to the power 4. So on top, instead of p squared, since it's a factor, it's going to be 1, and then at the bottom p to the power 4 will be 2, right? So you'll have 3 divided by p squared as your answer. And then question 4, 2x cubed is the first bracket, 2x all cubed is the second bracket. So that's the one we must always start with. So on top you'll have 2x cubed, the first bracket as it is. Then on the second bracket is 2 cubed, right? We'll have 2 cubed and then x cubed, all divided by 4 times 8 is 32. Then x to the power 5 and x to the power 4 is going to be x. 5 plus 4 is 9, so the power is to the 9. So these can further be simplified as 2, right? 2 cubed is 8. Okay, let's first simplify this 2 cubed so that you follow everything that I'm doing. 2 cubed is 8, and then x cubed will come as it is. Then you still have 32x to the power 9. So this can be simplified as 2 times 8 is 16. X cubed times x cubed will be x, 3 plus 3 to the power 6. 32 x to the power 9 will come as it is. So now we can see that 16 is a factor of 32. So on top we'll have 1, and then at the bottom we'll have 2, right? And then x to the power 6 is a factor of x to the power 9. So on top you'll have 1, and then at the bottom you'll have x to the power 3. So your answer here becomes 1 over 2x cubed. Okay, that's it. I hope you understood everything. We've come to the end of our today's lesson. If you liked today's lesson, please subscribe and stay tuned on the next lesson. More on grade 8. Cheers.